Hey everybody, this is Eric with Low VA Rates. Today we're doing Q&A. The question that we get a lot of times from borrowers when they see advertisements, whether they be ours or some of our competitors, is why are lenders out there advertising an escrow refund if I do my refinance? Well, before we dive into that video and I answer that question about escrow refunds and lender ads, I just want to quickly note that I'm not a licensed loan officer. Okay, I'm not soliciting your business right now. Instead, I'm here trying to provide you with just basic information to help you get started, to help you educate yourself. When you're then ready to actually apply for a VA loan and take that step forward, you're gonna not speak with me. Okay, you're gonna be put in contact with licensed loan officers at Low VA Rates who have gone through all the necessary training, have all the insurances and all the licenses that can help you get going. So if you've ever seen an advertisement for a mortgage refinance, chances are you may have seen a claim or a suggestion that if you refinance, you might be entitled to an escrow refund as a bullet point. Well, lenders are going to put this on their ads because getting an escrow refund, in many cases, can be an added benefit to homeowners. But before we dive into that, let's start with what an escrow refund even is in the first place. An escrow refund is basically when you have money set aside in your escrow account to have your lender pay your taxes and insurance when they're due. All that money sits in an account. When you refinance, you get a new loan, normally speaking with a different lender. And therefore, you need to set up a new escrow account under the new lender's name. Once your old loan is paid off, that's what happens when you refinance. You pay off your old loan. Now you have a new loan at hopefully better terms. Your new lender or servicer is now the one in charge of paying your homeowner's insurance when it's due and paying your taxes when they become due. Now, since your old lender no longer has the responsibility, what are they going to do with that money they've been collecting? They have to close out your old escrow account and they will send you any balance existing the day they're paid off. Basically, they're refunding you your money that they've been holding on to. It's important to note that while your new lender, which I hope is Low VA Rates, who's generally the one advertising the escrow refund, they're not actually the ones refunding you the money. We have no control over it, and you need to be aware of that. Because what if you don't get one? Are you going to be mad at the lender that was advertising it if that was Low VA Rates or somebody else? Keep in mind, you're only entitled to get whatever the lender who you used to be with is left with at the time of being paid off. Okay, so if you have any questions about when you're going to get the escrow refund or how it's going to arrive to you, how much it's for, you don't want to contact the new lender you're doing business with. Contact your old lender and you can get that information. Now, one of the selling points of a refinance is the ability to get that refund back. It's almost always a check that you can then go put into your pocket or your bank account. I mean, who doesn't want a large chunk of cash at any given time? So from a psychological standpoint, it makes sense that lenders want to emphasize this as a potential possible benefit. It's not guaranteed. However, that's the key word here. It's a potential benefit. It's important to note that there's never a guarantee that you're going to receive that escrow refund. So much depends on the timing between when you close your refinance and when your taxes and insurance are due, whether or not your servicer's already paid them. Perhaps you're in a negative escrow balance, or you have a deficit owing. We've seen that. So when you see these advertisements, it's important. I want to close with two things. Number one, there is no guarantee. It's just trying to get your attention, even though it happens a lot of times that you do get that refund. And the VA has been very clear with lenders, specifically Low VA Rates and others. No one should be refinancing solely to get an escrow refund, at least not with a VA loan. The VA won't allow that to happen. There are other net tangible benefits and rules that must be met for you to even get the refinance done. We are letting you know that this is just one potential icing on the cake. So if you'd like to learn more about escrow refunds, how they work on VA loans, definitely check out one of our videos from earlier this year. We go into much more detail. You can click on the link in the description box below if you'd like to dive a bit deeper. As always, you can call us, pick up that phone and give us a call. If you're the type that just likes to text, we have a phone number on our website where you can text back and forth. We will put you in contact with a licensed loan officer who's going to be very able and happy to explain how all of this works. So we look forward to hearing from you soon.